Welcome students. Today we will read chapter 9 about multiplication. Okay students. Today we will read topic multiply by 2 digit 1 digit. Okay students. In this topics students you know that 1 digit multiply in previous class 4 multiply 6 is equal to 24. Okay. But in this topic you multiply 24 multiply 4. Okay, 2 digit by 1 digit. Okay students, this is the very simple. And students, you know that all multiplication work we can do it right to left. Okay students, I am giving the example. First example, 44 multiply 1. Okay students, you first multiply ones place to ones place. 4 ones are 4 and write 4 and 4 ones are 4. Your answer is 44. And other problem, 34 multiply by 2. Okay students, first you multiply ones, 2 ones, 4 multiply 2 is equal to 8 and 3 multiply 2 is equal to 6. So your answer is 68. Okay students, and one important note, you always remember anything multiply by 0 or multiply to 0 is 0 itself. Okay students, यानी किसी भी संख्या में अगर हम लोग 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो उसका आंसर 0 ही होगा. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो ये हमें रूल्स को क्या रखना है, याद रखना है. जस्ट एग्जांपल, 5 मल्टीप्लाई 0 योर आंसर इज 0. 5 मल्टीप्लाई 0 योर आंसर इज 0. दिस इज द हॉरिजॉन्टल एंड दिस इज द वर्टिकल. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, 1 डिजिट नंबर्स, 2 डिजिट नंबर, 3 डिजिट नंबर, मोर देन 3 डिजिट नंबर, एनी नंबर multiply by 0 your answer is 0. Okay students, just like 16 multiply 0 your answer is 0. 125 multiply 0 your answer is 0. Okay students, it is clear. And students, in this page number 79, there are many example. Okay students, I explain some example. Just students, you write in your copy. Okay, just example, okay, 10 multiply 8. Students, first multiply 0, 0 multiply 8 is equal to 0 and 1 multiply 8 is equal to 1. Your answer is right. And other example, 21 multiply 3. First multiply 3, 1, 3, 3 2 is 6. Your answer is 63. Okay students, so in this questions you complete your exercise page number 79. Okay students, and word problem without carry, some word problem and without carry, page number 80. Okay students, one bus has 6 wheels, means एक बस को 6 पहिया हैं. हाउ मेनी व्हील्स आर देयर इन 4 सच बस. वैसे ही 4 जो बस होंगी उनके पास कितना पहिया होंगे. तो स्टूडेंट्स, this is the very simple. First you write 6 and after that multiply 4. Your answer is 24 wheels. Your answer is 24 wheels. Okay students, and question number 2. There are 4 biscuit in a pack. एक आपको पैकेट है, उसमें 4 बिस्कुट्स है, यानी 4 क्या है, बिस्किट्स हैं. हाउ मेनी बिस्किट आर देयर 5 सच पैक्स. वैसे ही अगर 5 पैक्स हैं तो उनमें कितना बिस्कुट होंगे. स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट यू राइट 4, आफ्टर दैट यू राइट 5 and 5 4 is 20, you write 24 biscuits. Okay, students, you write 20 biscuits. 20 biscuits. Okay, students, 20 biscuits. Okay, and next question number 3. Question number 3, students, in this question, a book cost 8 rupees. Okay, how much will 9 such book cost? एक बुक का दाम आपको 8 रुपया है, तो वैसे ही आपको 9 बुक का दाम कितना होगा? तो स्टूडेंट्स, यू राइट फर्स्ट 8 9, your answer is 72 rupees. Okay, you write 72 rupees. Okay, students, and question number 4. One girl has 6 balls. एक लड़की है जिसके पास 6 क्या है? गेंदे हैं. How many balls 4 girls have? वैसे ही 4 girls, how many balls 4 girls have? वैसे ही आपको 4 जो लड़के हैं उनके पास कितने बॉल होंगे? स्टूडेंट, फर्स्ट लाइट 6 multiply 4, your answer is 24 balls. Okay, and question number 5. Question number 5. In this question number 5, there are 9 flowers in a flower pot. How many flowers are there in 9 such flower pots? एक फ्लावर पॉट है, उसमें क्या है? 9 आपको फूल हैं. वैसे ही 9 जो फ्लावर पॉट्स है उसमें कितने फूल होंगे? स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट राइट लाइन मल्टीप्लाई 9, योर आंसर इज 81 flowers. Your answer is 81 flowers. Okay. Question number 6. There are 6 toys in a box. एक बॉक्स है, उसमें कितने आपको खिलौने हैं? 6. How many toys there are in such box? वैसे ही अगर 7 बॉक्स है तो उसमें कितने होंगे? तो फर्स्ट राइट 6, आफ्टर दैट राइट 7. Your answer is 42 toys. Okay, students. Question number 7. This is the last question. In this question, there are 9 boys in a queue. एक लाइन में आपके 9 बच्चे हैं. How many boys there are in 8 such queue? ऐसे ही अगर 8 क्यू हैं तो कितने बच्चे होंगे? So students, first write 9, after that 8 and 72 boys. Your answer is 72 boys. Okay, students. Today, students, you complete page number 79 and 80. Okay, first write question, page number 80. After that, you write answer. Okay, students. Thank you so much. Have any doubt, any problem in class 10? You ask me.